Hello my fellow rock lovers. Today I'm going to make a video about cutting rocks. What I use is a tile saw. It's only a 7-inch tile saw, it's quite small. But you know what? One day I think I might get a bigger one. Anyway, cutting rocks on my tile saw. So I've put aside quite a few rocks here. This is crazy lace agate, Australian crazy lace agate. Not quite as spectacular as the Mexican stuff, but it still has some nice patterns in there. We'll see. I've got quite a few different pieces of that, just in case one disappoints. I've got plenty to choose from. I've got this one here. This is, I'm hoping it's Norina Jasper. Kind of has the right colouring, but until you cut it, you never really know. And that's going to be a bit of a challenge because it's so big. Like I said, I've only got the small 7-inch saw. It may struggle to get through that, but we'll see. I think I've got another piece of Norina Jasper, just in case. It's here somewhere. Oh, there he is there. So I know this is Norina Jasper, because you can see it. Norina Jasper. So, in case that one doesn't work, we'll see what the second one does. I've also got stuff that's got green stripes. Stuff that looks interesting. Most of them look pretty average before you cut them. But I'm hoping they'll all be kind of exciting when they're cut open. This one looks really dull, but you can see on one side there's signs of banding in there. That should be okay. What else we got? Oh, this is something, I'm pretty sure it's praise. So it's not chrysoprase, which I think is green. This is grey colour. I'm hoping there's dendrites or something in there. You never know. I've got a larger piece here, which is a bit more grey, so more likely to have maybe, I don't know, mossy sections in there. Again, we'll see. I think that's the same stuff. I'm not entirely sure. That might be common opal. I don't know. More of the same. Another green rock. I imagine that's going to be a brighter green on the inside. But again, we'll see. Another banded one. Most likely a jasper. We'll see. I don't know why that's there. Something I found up near Carnarvon. It's got some textures in it. If I get time, I'll cut him. Another banded jasper. What else we got here? This one, I'm not really sure what that is. That's a good thing about cutting rocks. You can have just a bland old ordinary rock. When you cut it, magic happens. Well, not so much magic, but you see lots of nice patterns. This is an agate, possibly crazy lace. That should be easy to cut. I don't know what that is, but it's got these botryoidal patterns there, so that should indicate something nice on the inside. Again, who knows? It's a lucky dip. That I think is breccia, so brecciated jasper or chert. It looks pretty average on the outside, but I've got hopes for that one, that it might look nice. This is something called Nambam granite. Nambam, thank you ma'am, granite. Kind of greeny pinky colour, and again, once that's cut, there may be stuff on the inside that's worthwhile. Bring down the next one. I told you there's a lot. This is something that I found on the road to Burra Rock, just down from Coolgardie. Has some nice green sections in there. You can't really see it so much here, but once it's cut, I'm sure we'll get a better look at it. There's quite a few pieces of that. This is similar from the same area. As far as I know, this is common opal, what we call opalite. Again, another piece. Kind of excited to see what's inside those. What's that one? No idea, just something I found. Oh no, it's from the same place with the green in it. This one looks a bit boring. It probably is on the inside, we'll see. more from that same area. You can see druzy, what they call druzy pockets in here. Little pockets of crystals. Always makes it interesting. This, I think that's common opal. Again, cutting will probably tell us. That, again, druzy pockets in there. I'm hoping these come up all right on the camera. But yeah, there's druzy pockets throughout there. This one, boy, that's boring. But it does have the lines running through it, and I wanted to cut that and see if those lines continued all the way through. Boring, I know. This one, some white lines. Similar one here. Again, a banded, probably jasper, if not chert. Might be rhyolite. I don't know. Nothing. Now this and this here, I think it's petrified wood. I just found it by the side of the road up near Fields Find or Paynes Find. Interested to see what's in there. Another banded thing. I may not cut that. Another banded one. Again, it'll depend on how my saw's holding out and how my patience is as well. This was an odd one. It's got some odd sort of colouring and textures in there. It looks a bit fragile, but we'll see. What else we got? There's something with like a layer of quartz and I don't know what that is. Granite or something underneath. Interested to see what's in there. This one's odd. It's sort of a very waxy feeling. I don't know if you can see that, but it has an odd sort of gloss, like a waxy feel to it. Sometimes they have some really nice folds and patterns in them. See what's in him. This one, boring, bands again. I don't know why that's in there, but you never know. I'll cut it open, see what happens. Oh, this one, see, that's what you see when you see the rock, when you find it, but you hit it with your hammer and have a look at what's on the inside, and that was what's on the inside. So again, I'm hoping once I cut it, that pattern shows up even nicer. Most of these, once I've cut them, I'll chuck them into the tumbler for polishing. So they go for months and months. I've got other videos on that. And they come out all nice and glossy if everything goes well. Nice little gemstones. This one, no idea what that is. It has bits of pyrite in there, the sparkly bits. This was found up near Urubanda, up from Kalgoorlie. Bit of a surprise. I came back with quite a bit of that. So I'm interested to see how it comes out because I've got so much of it. I might as well make something of it. This is no idea. No one seems to know what this is, but it's got these weird white lines running through it. So again, I want to cut it and see how white those lines are and just what's on the inside. This is another piece of the same stuff with the white lines. Again, we'll see. What have we got there? Looks like another piece of praise. Would probably just be a grey, clear grey. This, again, I don't know why that one went in. It sort of looks interesting. But we'll see, you just never know. That's the thing, you never know what you're going to get. So yeah, I'll cut all these up, come back and show what's on the inside. And if you want, you could like and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Even if you don't like what you see, you can subscribe to it and like my videos. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Wow, that was a bit of a marathon. 4.5 hours cutting, but it's sort of good fun, I guess. It's good fun. Back-breaking work though. But yeah, there's some nice sliced up rocks. Now some of these bigger ones I had to do a cut and then hit with a hammer, things like that. There's no way the saw was going to get through that one. What I'll do is I'll do a little slideshow before and afters. Yeah, that's it. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with these rocks. I was just interested to see what they look like on the inside. Some of them better than what I thought. Some of them actually look better on the outside than the inside. But that's all part of the fun. You never know what you're going to get.